In the beginning, the first musical instrument man created and played was a flute made from bones and wood, and the stone tablet was one of the first methods of tallying up records. These methods then evolved with the creation of the harp and the abacus. More recently, Bothner's was born, and by that time accounting machines had become quite sophisticated. And then in the late 90s, we moved into computer accounting at a time when digital pianos and synthesizers became more popular. And now, in 2020, Roland designs have become sleek and slick, and our accounting systems are following in the same way. Imagine live up-to-date reporting. Imagine personalized dashboards. Imagine secure reporting accessible anywhere in the world. Imagine row-level restrictions. Imagine flexible customizable reporting. Imagine multiple device functionality including Mac, Android, iPhone, Windows. Imagine no memory or speed constraints. Imagine integrated data from multiple sources using versatile connectors. Imagine machine learning capabilities and artificial intelligence.